No, nothing's wrong, I just wanna talk and feel so small, like when I was young. I wanna know I'm not on my own, 'cause I feel alone. Yeah, I've got love, more than enough, but is it too much? I don't wanna spread too thin, breaking my back to keep too many friends.
Hi everyone, so I have a small announcement for all of you by Unacademy. So here is a test. वैसे तो ये सारे टेस्ट एंड क्विजेज अनअकैडमी प्लस के फीचर्स हैं, बट दिस टाइम अनअकैडमी कॉम्बैट, ये जो कॉम्बैट है दिस इज़ फॉर फ्री एंड एनीवन कैन एनरोल फॉर दिस, एंड आई मस्ट सजेस्ट दैट यू शुड गो एंड रजिस्टर योरसेल्फ फॉर tomorrow's test, that is 7th February 2021. And this battle will be conducted after every 15 days. So the next test is on 7th February 2021. Time will be 11 AM. Don't forget to enroll and assess yourself before actually appearing for the exam. And also now you can get a chance to compete with thousands of learners in India's biggest fortnightly competition for UPSC CSE. Now in this competition you'll be getting exciting quizzes, extensive quizzes with 6 rounds of 10 questions each from economics, polity, science and tech, geography, history and environment. You can also see how you rank against others with a live leaderboard. After every question, you'll get to know where you stand amongst all other contestants. You'll get an in-depth video solution for questions right after the test. So don't miss the chance to get to know your score for your speed, accuracy, rating and leaderboard, plus exciting awards. So here is a chance to win amazing prizes. You can win a 3-month UPSC GSE Plus subscription for free, and also a chance to win Amazon vouchers worth ₹1000. So go ahead and give your best, take the test. So this test is going to be of 45 minutes and with 6 sections. All sections will have 10 questions each, that means 60 questions in total. you'll get your relative scoring. And roll now in Academy Combat, and you can use the code FIND10 to participate in Unacademy Combat. Sign in on Unacademy Learning app. So the steps to enroll are very simple. Let me just tell you briefly. So first you need to download the app, then sign in or register, choose UPSC CSE as goal, click on the link given in description, use code FIND10, and you're ready to take the test tomorrow at 11 a.m.
Need me around to be an audience for my breakdowns, 'cause I don't wanna be the center of the universe. Carrying the world hurts, and I'm getting tired. And I'd settle for Jupiter.
What I am planning to cover is this security section from Visions magazine, and I just checked that it has only 2 articles. This one 4.1, it is of 2 pages, right? And then this 4.2. That's it. So I'll try to cover this section. I guess it will take me an hour or so if we get enough time, and if I feel like continuing with it, then I'll also cover 1 or 2, 3 articles from environment section. Depend करेगा अगर मूड किया तो पढ़ने का मैगजीन, वरना एक सेक्शन तो मिनिमम करना ही करना है. दूसरे वाले पे let's see how it goes.
I hold on to when panic attacks. Cause I don't wanna spread too thin, breaking my back to keep too many friends. I give myself the space that I need and leave the atmosphere to finally breathe. 'Cause I don't wanna be the center of the universe. Carrying the world hurts, and I'm getting tired. And I'd settle for some perspective on the universe. Cause I don't wanna spread too thin, breaking my back to keep too many friends. Yeah, I need them to need me around, for my breakdowns. 'Cause I don't wanna be the center of the universe. Carrying the world hurts, and I'm getting tired.